welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to render list using filter. Filter method is similar to a JavaScript method, but it is used to transform the array of data into array of components. For example, you will be having an array with a lot of data, but you want only a particular type of data to be rendered. So in that case, you need to use filter. Let's start coding. This code which you see is from the previous video in which I covered the map function. I'm going to reuse some of the things like the list that I had declared. Hence, you can watch the previous video as well. So first I have two kinds of list. One is a very small list. I'm not going to do any modification on this. Second one is the big list. And what I'm trying to do is only print the data or only render the components which will have the vehicle type, the type as vehicle. Okay, and I don't want the fruits to print. Here using the map, what I was able to do is print all the items present in that list. Now I want to modify that list. So for that purpose, you will have to use filter. So I will write another list. To use filter, write like this. Name of the list, that is data dot filter. Okay, open the brackets, another brackets inside this, arrow, and then you will write the kind of condition you are looking for. So what I want, each block should be called as an item here. Okay, you can give any name, item, and the item dot id should item dot type should be equal to vehicle. Okay, so what this will do, this will create a new list named vehicle which will only have the items which is having the type as id. Okay, so let me, okay, so in this list we have two vehicle. One is this one and one is this one. That's why we are getting two items in this list. If I wanted fruits, I will write fruits here and you will see the list changing. Now we have 4 fruits. Okay, fruits, if you see, 4 fruits are there. And in order to have it on the UI, instead of using this data, I will be using new name of the list. Let me copy this block of code. Okay, I'll create one more and let me just comment it. Instead of data, I will be using vehicle here. Okay, and now if I close this, you see only the fruits ones are present. And if I change the type to vehicle, you will see only vehicle is present. Okay, so it is very simple. You can also use the filter here, but it will be a very big nesting. So instead of that, in order to keep the code clean, use it like this. It will make your code clean and simple and understandable also. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we will cover another important concept. Thank you.